So in today's video, we are going to be attempting to sublimate on this Dollar Tree dry erase paddle. It is double-sided. So I'm actually going to attempt to sub on both sides. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right into the video, guys. Don't forget to comment down below, interact with me. I love to interact with you guys. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so you're gonna need, for this project, you're gonna need your dry erase paddle from Dollar Tree, some laminate, a laminate pouch, your designs, heat tape, heat dispenser, which are linked down below. The laminate sheets are also linked down below. I will try to link the dry erase paddle as well. And you need some heat gloves and butcher paper. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press. So I'm going to use the Cricut Easy Press paddle. So I'm going to take my laminate, and it comes in a pouch. It comes both sides. So I'm going to actually just take it like this, and I'm going to laminate both sides. It shouldn't really stick, but I'm going to put a Teflon sheet under it just in case it sticks to my mat. And then I'm going to take a piece of butcher paper, and I'm going to press at 380 degrees for maybe like 10 seconds, not very much. And then I'm going to flip it to the other side so I can adhere this side as well. We're going to take our design. We're going to take our design and place it on there. Okay, so we're going to take our butcher paper, put it on top, and we're going to press at 380 degrees for about 40 seconds. I'm going to lift up and see if I got the whole design, which I think I pretty much did. So I'm going to flip it over very carefully. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So now we're going to take some scissors, and we're going to just cut around it. Okay, so now off camera, I'm just gonna cut it even close. If you cut and you still can't get it super close, what you can do is you can take your mini and you can take it and just rub it. So I like how it turned out. It's really, really cute. All the colors are really vibrant. I definitely think this would be better with a heat press so you can have more pressure. There were spots up here that didn't have enough pressure, but other than that, it turned out really well. I'm going to use this for my daughter so she can learn how to trace and things like that and learn how to write her ABCs. So this is really good if you have a kid and you want to do some sort of learning activity on it. They can erase it and redo it. Or if you want to do some sort of play imagination sign, like their crossing guard or something like that. Like, I think it's really, really cool for kids. It's $1, it's inexpensive, it's really easy to do. You can find a lot of images on Google to put on here for learning activities. So I love how it turned out. My daughter's gonna love it. Please let me know down below if you guys also try it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my family, to my YouTube family. Thank you guys again for 4,000 subscribers. Let's go to 5,000 subscribers. Let's get there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.